Good morning everyone and welcome to Technique Thursday. Just peeking at my camera, I had a flashing battery. I thought my other battery was charged, but apparently it's not. So we're going to see how far we can get with this page. So, okay, to start, we're working with the Time Bible Page Kit. It's the companion to the Ecclesiastes. And I thought, what can I do? So I thought maybe playing with some distress inks. I did do 2 coats, TriArts Gesso Clear, wonderful little product. And then I got some distress ink coat, tea dye, and peacock feathers. And let's see what happens. So I think I need a craft sheet in here because we are going to do some edging. So we'll just pop a craft sheet in there so we don't get that all over the place. So I was thinking maybe blue on the edges and then some browns. So I have my little thing right here, and I see that I do not have one for peacock feathers, my little doodads. So I think I'll just pick broken china because that's close enough. And I will have to get another little dauber. So what I want to do is, we did the TriArts just to help colors move. And then I'm just going to take this and go along the edges of the page and just smear them out a bit. And nothing too extreme. I don't care if there's blotches and blobs and whatnot. I just want to kind of frame the page a bit and see what's happening. So how is everybody enjoying the I Am study? Oh my gosh, I think it's one of the best studies I've ever done. Wow, if you haven't done the study, I highly recommend it. It's amazing. It truly is amazing. So let's see what else we can do. I got some, my little stencil here is called Mini Time Travel, and all links will be down below for the products. So I just wanted to, I don't know, I thought maybe some stenciling today. Have to make sure I got stencil in the right spot. So I'm just going to go through, put a little bit on my finger dauber, and rub through the stencil. Let's see how that goes, and hopefully I'm not shaking everything, because you know I love to do that too. So let's take a peek, see what happened. Yep, pretty good. I just want some basic, just a little bit of pattern in the background. Sometimes you gotta rub this hard and I shake the table and things happen, but my camera's on its own stand, so hopefully that's not shaking. And sorry for the shadows. We have had a week of rain here. Oh, seriously, people. So I need to get out and enjoy the sunshine. The sun's shining finally for a day. So I'm going to plant the rest of my garden. It was so funny because I planted my garden on Mother's Day weekend. And all the neighbors, and up here in Canada, there's a rule. You never plant anything before the May long weekend. Well, the Mother's Day weekend was so beautiful. So I was out there just, you know, just doing my thing. Well, hello again. Guess what? The battery just died. The whole thing just turned off, and yeah, it was just over. Okay, so I was just continuing on making some of the with the time stencil, so I'll continue that. Not really sure where all the elements are going to go yet, so it's kind of hard to be doing this. So I don't know, we'll just play, and we can always add things in later. That's the great part of stenciling. And maybe a big clock here. Guess I could have made some of it in the peacock feathers as well, but we'll just do it like this for now. Just a quick video today. I just really wanted to say hi and chit chat, you know, see what everybody's up to. I think I'm going to do some gardening this afternoon. So let's start with the stickers and then we can add from there. So I think I'll do the title first. Let's see how that is doing. Can't really see my camera. I want to make sure that I am in the frame of the photo. I think that will work. And let's see. Okay, so we'll just start up in the corner. I just noticed I don't have a tab for this one. I will have to go dig out a tab. How could I have forgot to do a tab? Someone wasn't thinking. So I've been working really hard on a side note of getting some things ready for summer. Because in the 3 years that Praise and Pray has been around, I have not taken a holiday. You know, the odd day here or there, but not some time off. So I'm working on doing some, well, I think we're still going to continue with the 20% Tuesdays. And I may do just one little, like, collection to release maybe at the end of June, beginning of July, just for the summer. And then we're going to have some catch-up time and let everybody catch up on all the kits they've bought and journaling things they may have had and whatever else. And then we can, you know, carry on. Just grab some scissors and clean this up. And, you know, just catch up on some things. I, too, have some kits that I haven't done. And, you know, I just want to take some time off. It'll be our first full summer out here on the farm. And, you know, we have a big garden and we have lots of stuff. And I just want to have, you know, some time with the kids, and Ryan's off all of July, so, you know, just want to, I don't know, just want to do stuff. I've got no excuse. I just want to do stuff. All right. So, we were talking about the study and how much fun that study was. Gosh, I'm loving it. And I have to do some more pages in my Bible. So I need to get that going on. And I like kind of doing kind of a cover page for each of the I am statements right in my Bible, and then do a, what do you call it? Then another one in my journal. And I just, you know why? Because I really, 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 really love the elements. So when you love the elements, then you have to put them everywhere, right? I think this is, I always say it's my favorite collection, but the I Am collection is one of my all-time favorites. And I want to do another mixed media one for fall. I'm thinking we may do some sort of I don't know if we should put this here. Ooh, maybe here. Another study in September. I kind of have an idea for October, November for Thankful. So I do have an idea for that. We'll see if it works out. And then we're going to, I think, I'm not sure. I'm trying to think in my head as I'm talking about what I wanted to do. So we're gonna, I'm not sure yet. I think we might do like a 30-day something, but have it go over October and November so that, you know, we're not all stressed about finishing something right in 30 days. So we'll see. We'll see how it all pans out. Sorry, I'm kind of babbling today. I've got so many things on my mind. We're having some work issues and, you know, there's always something going on here. I love these Roman numerals. I could see myself using these again too. I was so excited. I've been working upstairs. We've been babysitting Ryan's puppies, and it's just so much easier to work upstairs with them because then I can see if they're, you know, running around outside or what these little monkeys are up to. But one went home and Eddie went home, and little Freddie, he's a 2-year-old Italian Greyhound mix. Ryan rescued him last, I think, fall. So I think Freddie is going to stay with us for the summer out here on the farm, because that little pup, oh my gosh, ladies, I've never seen a little dog love to run so much as little Freddie. He is absolutely adorable. So, okay. Wow, we really packed this page up. There's some falling leaves, and ooh, that turned out pretty, I'm gonna say. And we'll just put this maybe down here on the end somewhere. And I have to find a tab, and then our work here is done. So put this here, and now I just want to take a look and see where there's some empty space that maybe we can fill it in with some clocks or some doodads. So I think I'm going to put a clock up in here, something up in the top. And like I said, there'll be links to the supplies I use underneath the video. So let's do a little, maybe just this little number 5 here. Put that up there. Maybe some of these little numbers we can stick in. Those are kind of cute. I love to just see what's on stencils, because then you can always find something fun to play with. And we'll do maybe the number 11 up here. I came downstairs to shoot this video because I just wanted to come back down here. So I need to move. I move my stuff up and down all the time. And in winter, it's, you know, kind of dreary. And so I thought being upstairs would be a little more fun, but then I find my work is always there. Okay, that's kind of cool. So let's put that away. And then maybe grab this peacock feathers. I just thought maybe some little splashes, but I don't want to do too much because, oh yeah, I'm just going to make some little dots, I think. Because I don't want to put too much on the page, because then you can't take it off, and then you got an issue, and that's a whole situation. And we'll put that there, maybe a little bit there. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I don't mind that. Okay. A few more bits and bobs. I like to just put them down and then come have a look at what's happening and what it looks like and where to fill. I love to fill space, as you can tell. I really love to fill space. So yeah, that's pretty fun. You're going, okay, are you done yet? Pretty close, pretty close. I just love to play. It's so fun when you have elements and ink on your desk, and I haven't done some paint in a while. I need to do that too. So, okay, I think we're gonna stop there and call it a day, and then I can go outside, maybe do some gardening for the day, see what's up. Got some tomatoes and potatoes and some peppers to get put in the garden. And I just want to thank you all for joining me and listening to me ramble today, because my thoughts are everywhere. And have a blessed day, everyone, and keep it real. God bless, and I will see you in Praise and Pray. Bye-bye.